always assume that people are distracted. Because you know what? That's probably the case. Especially nowadays. As it is, that's just the way the human mind works. We get distracted. And it doesn't have to be a matter of technology. Like I said, it's not just a thing for modern times. I think it can be something like thoughts that are bothering us, for example. That's probably a big one. Distractions come in all forms. And if you can bring that into consideration, it's going to give you some space to be a little more understanding rather than confrontational. It's going to allow you to be understanding because you're going to realize, well, you have to understand what's happening, first of all, and then you have to accept that you do it yourself. That's going to make it so that you can relate to this person rather than try to confront them. If you can go for that option that is probably the thing that you would do yourself, then you have no choice but to be understanding, you know? You're going to say, well, okay, this person is doing something that I have done in the past. I get it. You know, you might even chuckle a little bit rather than thinking that they're doing it to get to you, which they're probably not. There are 6 billion people on this planet. Do you really think that every single one of them is out to get you? And that would have to be the case for some random stranger to happen to be out to get you, if you think about it. But of course, we don't think about these things. We just kind of snap. And you see, this is what we're judging people for, right? We're judging people for making snap judgments, and that's what we're doing. So we should really try to keep that to a minimum. I think it's a lot to ask to expect a complete obliteration of snap judgments, but we can try to keep them to a minimum if we know how to look out for them and if we know how to respond to them. Okay? Okay.